How to transform your home with modern contemporary style from classic design. A blend of sleek, clean lines of modern design with the comfort and warmth of contemporary aesthetics. Focuses on minimalism, functionality, and a balance of aesthetics. We will redesign the interior of this classic interior design house. To achieve the look of modern contemporary, we will replace and remove the elements classified as classic interior design. This includes changing the floor color and updating the wall colors. Now let's proceed on creating our mood board for this project. Since we're opting for a modern contemporary style, these are the colors we can use: white, beige, taupe, gray, and black. Next, flooring material. For our flooring, we have multiple choices to choose from. We have hardwood flooring, the LVP, and a laminate flooring. We know that hardwood floors offer a timeless, classic look that adds warmth and beauty to any space, but it's generally more expensive than other options, both in terms of material and installation. LVP, or luxury vinyl planks, is typically less expensive than hardwood and can mimic the look of real wood at a fraction of the cost. Laminate flooring is generally less expensive than both hardwood and LVP, though it is more water-resistant than hardwood. Laminate is not as waterproof as LVP and can swell or warp if exposed to significant moisture. Among these three, we're going to choose the luxury vinyl planks. A weather oak LVP, a versatile and stylish choice that combines the natural beauty of wood with the practical benefits of vinyl, adding a touch of elegance and brightness to any space. Now let's identify the materials that we're going to use in this project. Modern contemporary design relies on a mix of natural and industrial materials to create a balanced, stylish, and functional space. Here are some materials commonly used. We have wood, stone, glass, metal, concrete, natural fibers, and leather. And these are the materials we're going to incorporate, which are the wood. Its tone adds warmth and a natural touch to the space. Marble, bringing a touch of luxury and natural beauty to interiors. And textile, contributing to the overall warmth, comfort, and aesthetic of the space. Next, furniture. Furniture in modern contemporary design is characterized by its clean lines, simplicity, and functionality. Here are some key characteristics of furniture used in modern contemporary interior style. Clean lines and simple silhouettes. Modern contemporary furniture features straight lines and simple, streamlined shapes. There is a focus on geometric forms without unnecessary ornamentation. Functionality is a core principle in modern contemporary interior design. Furniture pieces are designed to be practical and useful, often serving multiple purposes. For instance, a coffee table might have hidden storage, or a sofa could be a sleeper sofa for guests. Furniture in modern contemporary interior design often has a low profile, contributing to an open and spacious feel. Sofas, beds, and tables are typically closer to the ground, with legs that are either recessed or minimally visible. The color palette for modern contemporary interior design furniture is typically neutral, with shades of white, gray, black, and beige. This creates a calm and sophisticated backdrop, allowing for bold accent colors in accessories and decor. Lastly, the decors. Decor in modern contemporary interior design is characterized by minimalism, functionality, and a focus on creating a clean and uncluttered space. Here are some key characteristics of decors in this style. Minimalistic approach. Modern contemporary decor embraces a less is more philosophy. Each piece is chosen carefully to contribute to the overall design without overcrowding the space. For example, a living room feature a single large abstract painting on the wall instead of a gallery wall of smaller artworks. Decor items often feature natural and textured materials, adding depth and warmth to the sleek and clean lines of modern contemporary design. For example, a wooden tray on a glass coffee table or a woven basket for storage can introduce natural textures into the space. While the overall color palette remains neutral, bold accent colors are introduced through decor items to add pops of interest and vibrancy. For example, bright blue throw pillows on a gray sofa can serve as eye-catching elements in the room. Modern contemporary interior design decor includes a few well-chosen statement pieces that draw attention and create focal points in the room. For example, a large, bold piece of abstract art on the wall, a unique light fixture hanging from the ceiling, or an oversized mirror leaning against the wall can serve as statement pieces. Now that we have completed everything we need, let's apply this to our model. Let's change the flooring materials. Apply the weather oak luxury vinyl planks. Since we're opting for a modern contemporary interior design, we will retain its wall color to white. White walls provide a neutral backdrop that allows furniture and decor to stand out without overwhelming the space. Now that we're set, let's start placing the furniture and decors at the family hall. This space is designed to feel open and spacious, with minimal furniture and decor to avoid clutter. The furniture pieces are modern and sleek, with clean lines and simple silhouettes. Sofa is low profile, emphasizing comfort and style. An accent chair with a matching ottoman offers additional seating, featuring a streamlined design in neutral tones. Centered around a low, round coffee table, this creates a comfortable and inviting conversation area. The area rug under the coffee table introduces additional texture with its woven design. Let's go at the entertainment area. The TV wall features built-in shelving units on both sides, creating a symmetrical and balanced look with minimal decors. These shelves are made of light wood veneer, contributing to the room's warm and natural aesthetic. Below it is a sleek electric fireplace. This feature adds a touch of luxury and warmth, enhancing the coziness of the space. For the window treatments, we always opt for a mix of blackout and sheer curtains. This combination allows for flexible control of natural light and privacy, ensuring the area remains both functional and aesthetically pleasing. And for the final touch of our family hall, let's add the lighting to complete the look. This area has a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a balanced and functional lighting scheme. Let's now take a closer look. Now that we've completed this area, let's move on to the kitchen area. The first thing we do is focus on updating the kitchen cabinets by selecting a sleek, modern color that complements the design style. We kept the refrigerator, ovens, and dishwasher in their current positions. We changed the kitchen cabinets to seamless ones that will go with modern, contemporary style. These kitchen cabinets used a wood veneer to achieve the look of solid wood while maintaining cost-effectiveness and sustainability. This choice will brighten up the space and give it a fresh, clean look. The countertops were changed to marble, specifically known for its elegant veining and timeless appeal. We also added a backsplash that acts as a barrier to protect the wall from moisture, heat, and stains, while providing an easy-to-clean surface. We also add a kitchen island paired with stool chairs, a versatile and functional centerpiece in modern kitchens, offering both aesthetic appeal and practical benefits, providing you an extra countertop space for preparing meals, chopping vegetables, and other cooking tasks. In the nook area, we improved it by adding a veneer wood panel below, with hidden LED strip lights. This is paired with stool chairs to create a cozy seating area. Now for the last element that will complete the look of our new kitchen, let's add the lighting. We used track lighting as the main light for the kitchen, and added pendant lights above the kitchen island and the nook. Additionally, we incorporated under-cabinet lighting to enhance visibility and ambiance. These lighting choices not only provide ample illumination, but also add a touch of warmth and style to the kitchen space. Now let's take a closer look. We've already completed the two areas. Let's now move on to the dining area. We added an accent wall on this side, using a plain veneer wall and fluted panel that adds depth and interest to the space, serving as a focal point. The dining table has a soft, rectangular shape with clean lines and a sleek, modern design. The chairs are upholstered in a light, neutral fabric which complements the overall color scheme of the room. We also incorporated a mix of blackout and sheer curtains. This combination provides flexibility in controlling light and privacy, ensuring the dining area is both functional and stylish. Above the dining table hangs a modern pendant lights. This light adds a dynamic element to the otherwise clean and simple space. And these recessed lights provide a general illumination. Here's a tip. Hang your pendant lights about 30 to 36 inches above the table surface to provide ample light without obstructing views. An area rug in a soft neutral color is placed under the dining table, defining the dining area and adding a layer of comfort and texture. Now let's take a closer look. We've already completed the three areas. Let's now move on to the living area, located on the second floor. We'll put a dark wood veneer wall panel here to add texture and warmth to the space. This will serve as a subtle yet elegant backdrop, enhancing the overall aesthetic. The sectional sofa is positioned in the corner to maximize the area, and a coffee table is placed in front of the sofa with a few decorative items. The rug is placed under the coffee table, extending to the seating area to anchor the space. Greenery adds a refreshing and vibrant element to the space. We use a mix of blackout and sheer curtains for the window treatment. A decorative wall art piece is hung in this area to serve as a focal point and infuse personality into the space. And for the final touch, let's add the lighting fixtures. Track lighting for the general illumination, and this pendant light for a focused, stylish accent over the seating area. Now let's take a closer look. And now, we've completed the 4 areas. Let's move on to the final area, the bedroom right next to the living area. Let's start with the wall treatment, adding a plain and fluted veneer wall panel to enhance the space. Next, a bed is positioned in the corner, featuring soft textiles for comfort. A nightstand is placed beside it, showcasing a decorative element. Above it, a pendant light hangs gracefully, providing focused lighting for reading or relaxation. The pendant light's sleek design complements the room's modern aesthetic, while adding a touch of elegance. Don't forget the rug that adds warmth under your feet when you get up. Additionally, 2 large abstract paintings in black and white hang on the wall opposite the bed, adding visual interest and a modern touch. We use a mix of blackout and sheer curtains for the window treatment. The lighting in this room features a combination of track lights, pendant light, and accent lighting, creating a modern and sophisticated ambiance. Now let's take a closer look. We have completed the full makeover of the 5 areas in this house, transforming the classic interior design style into modern, contemporary interior design. Let's now take a final tour in each area. Remember, when designing, start with a mood board to determine what elements will work well and are needed. This approach will help you achieve your ideal look. In our next video, we are going to use another interior design style to transform this classic design style and see which one looks better. So stay tuned. Check the description below for links to products similar to those in this video that you can use in your own home. If you have any questions or need help with decorating, drop them in the comments, and I'll do my best to help.